Today, I'm going to share with you 3 ways you can practice water-sufficient gardening so you can save water not only on your bill, but also if you have watering restrictions or there's not a lot of water where you live. The first thing and arguably the easiest out of all of these is what you see right here. Yeah, that's right. Leaves, or in this case, a layer of mulch. You will want to have a good 2-inch layer of mulch, whether it is leaves, grass clippings, wood chips, shredded hardwood, anything that will help protect the soil. The UV index, especially in the summer, will dry out things like pots, raised beds, flower beds in no time flat without a good insulating mulch layer. Also, it can do good to do in the cold, but also, as I mentioned, in the hot. This will help to prevent evaporative loss and will maybe only make you have to water once a day or once every other day. But in combination with this second tip, which is to use a moisture retentive mix. So in this case, I have peat moss because this is what is available in my area, and it's also about 3 times cheaper than coco coir. But anything like that, peat moss, coco coir, something that holds its like 10 times its weight in water, that will do excellent because it will hold on to even more water than just like your native soil. If you have a bunch of flower beds, again, go ahead and add some compost in, add a little bit of peat moss or coco coir. That will definitely help, but also in conjunction with the third tip, it will definitely save you hundreds of gallons of water every single year, and that is to use drip tubing. Whether it is drip tape, little soaker hoses, little flag emitters to going directly to the plant, this will save you hundreds of gallons of water. Instead of broadcasting the water, maybe either with a watering can or even with those sprinklers that just cover the entire area instead of targeting just to one plant. And plants also do better with targeted drip irrigation anyway because all the water is going straight down to where the roots need it, not everywhere, and not getting the water deep enough into the soil where the roots need it. So having that targeted drip watering definitely helps out your plants. And in fact, if you want a video, let me know in the comments below if you want that. I can do a video all about drip irrigation and all the benefits really it provides, even more than this video. But these 3 simple tips will guarantee you even more garden success, and it will even help to reduce your water bill, especially if you have large gardens. Like if you have more than 1 raised bed, like maybe you had 10 or lots of flower beds. This is a key way to save money, even in containers. I can take you over here. I do need to add a little bit more of a mulch layer to this, as you can see, but you know, something like grass clippings and adding drip hose like this. I like to use soaker hoses in my containers, but I also like to use these little flag or drip emitters for individual plants. So it just saves a lot of water, and it also, you don't have to worry about one plant getting more water and one plant not getting enough, because they sell, like this is a ½ gallon an hour, and this one here is a 1 gallon per hour, so you can change the correct gallon per hour that you think the plants will need. So it's just a quick video that hopefully you will get something out of. You know, make it your own, add your own type of mulch, make your own raised bed mix or flower pot mix, whatever is the best in your area and for your circumstances. But if you also want to know how to feed your garden for extremely cheap, in fact, this will feed your garden for decades, this one little material, you need to check out my biochar video right here.